ये जब गैर कानूनी काम करती हैं, अल्लाह के सामने आपका क्या एक्सक्यूज होएगा कि मुझे सीएम ने बोला था? अल्लाह के आगे ये एक्सक्यूज नहीं चलेगा कि आपने ये गैर कानूनी, पाकिस्तान की आइन के मुताबिक ये गैर कानूनी है, गैर आईनी है, और ये हमारे इस्लाम भी कहता है कि ये हराम है। तो आप ना इस जमीन की अदालत में अपने आप को डिफेंड कर सकोगे, ना अल्लाह की अदालत में, इंशाल्लाह। तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि अभी सबको यूनाइटेड फ्रंट लेना चाहिए फैशिज्म के खिलाफ, ह्यूमन राइट्स के लिए, पाकिस्तानी डेमोक्रेसी के लिए और इमरान खान की रिहाई के लिए। तो मेरे साथ सब नारा लगाए, रिहा करो, रिहा करो, नहीं आ रही है जोश और जज्बात, रिहा करो, रिहा करो, रिहा करो, रिहा करो, रिहा करो, रिहा करो। Now I'm going to speak in English, so our message can get across to the English community, to the British community. It's 10 Downing Street, because London is the city where everything was planned. London is the city where it was planned that Khan's government is going to be toppled, that Pakistani's human rights are going to be undermined and violated to such an extent that even the government ministers, part of the government, choose not to defend the questions of whether the human rights are being violated, but they choose to ignore it because no one can defend it. We protest outside the government's headquarters because the last government let us down. During the last government, British parliamentarians used to go meet at the time the convicted criminal, the fugitive Nawaz Sharif in his office in London. They used to go to his residence in Park Lane, and we've held multiple protests, as you are all aware, as many of you have attended the protests outside the infamous Avonfield House. Today we demand the new government of Keir Starmer don't be complicit in these human rights violations. Don't be complicit in the illegal incarceration of former Prime Minister Imran Khan. Take a stand. Take a stand that your predecessor, the Tory government, that Rishi Sunak, that Liz Truss, that Boris Johnson, take a stand against what they couldn't do. Take a stand against ill-gotten wealth. Take a stand against billionaires who have built their wealth on blood money. Take a stand against people who have built an empire on the blood of commoners. And in this instance, take a stand against those who have built a blood empire on the blood, on the bones of Pakistanis, and release former Prime Minister Imran